everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, taking care of yourselves as much as you're taking care of your loved ones. So today I'm going to share with you how I get rid of my whiteheads and how you can get rid of whiteheads and blackheads very safe at home. Something that's not really going to damage your skin if you get it right, if you do it well. And I'm also going to share with you other methods, or rather we are going to talk about other methods that I feel, or rather it's my personal opinion, I feel that if you don't get it right, it could cause damage to your skin. So without further ado, let's get started. But for those of you who are seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Natalia and you're welcome to my channel. Please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so that each time I come up with a video, you get notified. So let's begin. Right now, I'm going to be using the Hip Hop skincare, These are nose strips, and actually this is amazing nose strips. I've tried a lot of nose strips and I kind of always find myself reaching out to this one. They come in like these kind of sachets. I think so they come 6 in a pack. Got mine from Nykaa. These are really amazing and I really like them, so I always reach out to this. See, they look like this. Now the first things first, I have come here with a bare naked face. I just have a lip balm, and since I'm going to be targeting this area in front of you, I'm going to extra clean this portion so that these nose strips work really well and take off maximum gunk from my nose. So for that, what I'm going to be doing is, first things first, I'm going to get this nose pin removed, because obviously I don't want the nose strip and the nose pin coming out together. So I have removed my nose pin, and I'm going to be taking my face wash. I absolutely love this face wash. This is the Herb Day 365 Master Blending. I'm going to take this much. Actually, this is also too much, a little lesser. Okay, this much, and massage it around my nose so that makes sure that my nose is extra clean. And in the whole process, I'm going to be using warm water. See, using warm water helps the pores to dilate. In turn, helps the easy removing of your whiteheads or blackheads. I'm going to remove this off. I'm using hot water right now because can you see my nose becoming red? This is working as a steam, helping my pores to dilate. I am going to be removing the nose strip. So I've got this removed, and this is how the nose strip looks. I hope you can see it. Now make sure that this inner portion that is on this transparent sticker that comes on your nose like this, and the white portion comes on top, and the upper the upper curve comes like this below your nose over here, and this inner curve sits on your nose like this. Okay, now I am peeling it off. Make sure your nose is damp. I'm just wetting it a little, making it even more damp. Now very gently place it on your nose like this. Okay, now make sure you wet it because it has to stick, and you know, this has to become like, you know, you have to see the black portion on top. That's how you'll know that your nose is wet completely. There you go. Can you see it's become all black? Now you need to stop and let it dry. Now I keep the nose strip on for like 20 minutes because I want it to dry completely. As this is drying, let's talk about the other methods that are there. The first method that we normally see is the traditional method, which is called the blackhead whitehead nose pin remover, where you know, you need to steam your face and then manually pluck each and every whitehead, blackhead that you see on your face. This method is still used in salon, but when you try doing it at home, like I personally tried doing it at home, and I realized that if you do not know the amount of pressure that you need to put on your nose or on the area around your face, you could create micro tears on your skin. And sometimes it also happens that if your skin is sensitive, it reacts and it becomes inflamed, and then there are chances for you to get a pimple or get breakouts breakouts. That is the first thing. The second one that I have seen, I've not personally tried it, but I have seen is waxing. Now waxing is really effective. It's very quick, but then the side effects of it could be, it could be that if you've got sensitive skin, you could inflame that area, you could irritate that area. And secondly, if by chance once you wax strip and if there are whiteheads and blackheads still remaining, and if you reapply the wax and pulling it off again, it could peel off the skin in that area, and I have seen that happen. Obviously you get professional help, and if it works for you, it's well and good. And the last thing is getting a hydrofacial done. Now hydrofacial, if you're somebody who has 1.5 hour of time to go and pamper yourself, then that's the best option. But then you can't do it at home. Obviously you need professional help. Now we can't go for hydrofacials, so the best thing to do is, and if you're someone like me who is not really confident in using a nose pin, this is the perfect thing to do. Personally use it once every week. Now there again, depending on your skin type, depending on how your skin is, that works. And very essential actually for you to get rid of whiteheads and blackheads, because they in turn start piling up on your face, and then you get breakouts, you get pimples, you get rashes, and there are a lot of problems that come. And if you want a clean squeaky face, then definitely get rid of your whiteheads and blackheads. So waiting for this to dry, I'll see you once this dries. Okay guys, I'm back. Actually, I lost track of time and it's almost 30 minutes done, and now this has become really hard and it's dried enough. Now I'll quickly show you how I actually remove. Very gently, I hold this portion of my face and peel it. Very firm, okay, very firm. And I just peel it. Okay, this is it. This much I stop over here. I don't peel it off together. Now I come to this side, hold this firmly and peel this off. Can you see that from both the sides? And now very gently peel it off. Okay, I don't know if you can see. There's no natural light, or I would have shown you in natural light. It's only the light of the ring light that I have right now. But there's a lot of whiteheads that I can see with my naked eye. A lot. I wish I was able to show it off to you. Can you see? Now the last thing that I do is I just, with my wet hand, I just go over this area. Now I normally finish off with either a nice light serum, or I put a moisturizer or a facial oil. Today I'm using a facial oil. This is the jojoba oil from Nykaa. I'm just taking a few drops and heating it on the palm of my hand and just dabbing it on my face. Okay, there you go. This is how my nose looks, and it feels really clean and nice. So that's about it for today. I hope you liked this video. Please go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and until we meet again, take care, stay blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye.